So you guys, welcome back, Jibba Keys. Apparently, if you're looking for checking your Algorand wallet to know how much your assets are or your tokens, so you can be able to check them here on live on ASA STATS.com. That's the name of the website. So apparently, on this wallet address, you can see we have Argos, we have ASAs, then we have NFT. I think NFT seems to be the larger portion of these. Think NFT or ASA seems to be the larger portion of this wallet. So you can see there are lots of tokens here, TOSA, DP, 69 Echoes, and more. So the good thing is that most of these were gotten through airdrops. You can see all these accounts we have about TOSA. So most of these were gotten through airdrops, and you could decide to hold these tokens, or you can decide to dive into these projects. So about this ASA stats, so I'll be showing you guys the whole beginning and how to check it up. You can read more on these whole concepts. So what you need to do is that let me show you guys how to do it. So guys, I'm going to go directly to the website so you guys can see directly. So asastats.com. So once you get over here, you should be asked to impute your wallet address. So here, since we've imputed the wallet address already, it's going to show us some addresses which I'm just going to impute. So guys, since you've copied your address, your wallet token address, you can just paste them here. You can paste them here, and you're good to go. Or if you've checked other ones before, you can just paste them in. So I'm going to check on these wallets to see how far what we have here. Then click on when moon. So when you click on it, okay. So this one tells you that you have about 4.95 Argos. So the good thing is that you can have all these tokens in a particular wallet. So that's very good thing about these whole projects. So you can see the tokens that are here that are currently the price and their movement, guys. So I think this is a great way to keep track of your tokens. So guys, I'll try as much as possible. You can let us know if you will need updates on Algorand airdrops, so we can bring you most of these updates. There are lots of them currently ongoing and it's currently trending, so you might want if you need them, you can let us know. Then feel free to subscribe, guys. You need to subscribe, so encourage us and support us by subscribing. We'll also try as much as possible to drop a giveaway for our first 1000 to 5000 subscribers. So to be part of this family, you need to subscribe, guys. Peace out, one love, and see you in our future uploads. Jabba Keys.